Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Just a Passionate Coder, and today I am going to discuss one of the frequently asked interview questions in big data. So today I am going to discuss about word count program. So if you are not if you don't know about word count program, then I can say basically we need to find the number of occurrence of each word in a sentence, like how many times that word is coming in the sentence. So we need to find that, and for this I will be writing a spark program in databricks. So like we need to go to databricks community edition and log into databricks. So here I have logged in to my databricks, and for convenience I have already uploaded that txt file. So here you can see word count text.txt, and I have already created one notebook and written our logic for word count program. So if you are not familiar with the databricks, then I have already made a video and I will be sharing the links in the video description so that you can go through and follow the video and you can learn the same. So one thing I would like to mention, that in databrick notebooks you get default spark session object in a spark variable, same like if you have used spark shell locally, right? So in the same way, like we used to get default spark session object in spark variable. But in case if you are like running your program using spark submit, then you need to create your own spark session object. For creating your own spark session object, you need to write these two extra line. So first of all, like you need to import the spark session from pyspark.sql, and then you need to create the spark session object using spark session dot builder. And here like dot master, here you will providing like in which mode like you want to run your spark program, like whether you are running on like local or whether you are running on yarn, or like you can give the spark master url here. And you will be giving the like name of the program. So here like just like here I have given first program like name of the program and dot get or create. But here like as we get the default spark session object, then here we need not to create the spark session object. So from that spark session object we can get any of the context object. So now like going forward, spark 2.0 spark session is the entry point of the application, and you can get any of the context object from the spark session object. So from that spark session object I am like trying to access the spark context. So here in the SC, like I am getting a spark context, and through that spark context like I am using text file method, and I am reading the word count text.txt which I have uploaded. So like in text file object I am getting one RDD, and that text file, on that text file I am going to use flat map operations. So basically flat map operation is nothing but like it will apply a given function, and it given function to each element of RDD, and it will return a new RDD. So here the given function is this, like it is going to like use space as a delimiter, and it will like apply this function to each element of RDD, and it will and also the output will be flattened. So if I will run the first cell, so now like I'm on that text file I'm going to use the flat map operation. So Here like I have run this cell also. So like here like each like text file, flat map output, each one is like RDD. And if we want to like see the output of the RDD, we need to use the collect method. So if you want to see like what is the output of this flat map output, what we can do, we can use like flat map output dot collect, and here you can see that output is flattened, right? So I feel like this, you can see. So output is flattened. So this is flat map operation. Now flat map operation is done. Now I want to do the map operation. So map operation is like similar to flat map, but it will not flatten the output. So here like for each of the word, like I am trying to create a tuple. So like key will be that word and value will be 1. So now I'm going to run this cell. So you can see this command is executed, map output. And if you want to see the output of that, like what is contained in this map output, then again we need to use the collect method, as we know that map output is also a RDD. So here if you run this one to see what is the output, so here you can see like for each of the word, like key, like we have one tuple. So key is the word and value is the tuple, and value of that tuple is 1. So here you can see I1 field 1 like that. So here like for each of the word, like we are getting like I1 field 1 like that. Now what we want to do, basically we want to know the exact occurrence of the particular word in the sentence. Then we need to group by here, right? So like each of the field, like we will be getting. So suppose I take one example like field. So like basically what we want, that we should get one tuple in that, like field will be the key and value should be like the total count. So here like you can see one field, two field, three, like that. So we want like instead like we here like we are getting different tuple for the for this field word, we want to group by, so that we will be getting individual, like we will be getting one of the one tuple, and in that like it will give the like total count of this field word. So for that what we need to do, like we need to like use the reduce by key method. And here like again we are going to use one of the lambda function. So here basically what we want to do, it will group by that that word using the group by the particular word. So like here I am going to like run this reduce by key. So here like in reduce output, this is also RDD. So like we have already like perform reduce by key. Then what we can do, like this is also RDD. So we need, again we need to do this like we need to use collect method on this reduce output RDD. So then we will be getting the word with exact number of count in that sentence. So here if I will like run this cell, then you can see fail is like fail has occurrence, like fail is like present 12 times in that sentence, funny is like 2 times, and like 2 times. So basically reduce by key, just like according to the key. So like in the tuple, like key is the word. So like according to the key, it just like grouped all of the work, like all like the same word, and it is now giving the count of that word. So yeah, here like this by the like this by the expected output, like this is the things that we were expecting. So here you can see like now we get the count of each of the word in that sentence. So this is the like word count program in Spark. So I am done. So if you have any questions or if you have any queries, then you can put in the comment section of the video, and I will try to address that as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.